This is a 2013 Ford Escape, and I don't like this armrest very much, so I'll be replacing it with one that is longer. So this is the original one. Works just fine, but I want a longer one, so I'm going to put this one in. And as you can see, it is longer. It's also softer, so I'll be showing you how to get that done. Alright, so first thing, this plastic thing underneath the armrest, it pops right off. Like so. Now your next step is this spring-loaded release right here pops right off as well. Just like that. There we go. Alright, plastic is off. Now with this tool, we're going to take the armrest off the hinge. Alright, there we go. So just to compare the two, so before you put the new armrest on the hinge, you'll also need to take off this part and put it on the top of the new armrest. So do that now. One thing I did notice about the new armrest compared to the old one, so this is the new one, you can see this is really soft foam. It is nice and soft. The original, that's hard, that's really hard stuff. So I'm excited about the new one. So now the original plastic piece goes on. There we go, very nice. And this guy goes on somehow. Alright, looks good. There we go. New armrest. Ooh, yeah, that's a lot better. It's softer. It's got more length to it, more support for my elbow. Here's the original. There you go. Here's a new one. Here's the original.